Nedcolbertia. Nedcolbertia is a genus of theropod dinosaur from the early Cretaceous period of North America. Discovery and naming. Three skeletons of a theropod were discovered in 1993 by Christopher Whittle near Cisco in the basal yellowcat member of the Cedar Mountain Formation of Utah, dating to the Valangini. These were subsequently studied and reported in 1995 by Kirkland, Britt Madsen and Burge, and Burge, and Burge, and Burge, and Burge, and Burge, and Burge. Though in 1996 it had been announced that the taxon would be named Nedcolbertia whitteli, in 1998 it was actually described and named by Kirkland, Whittle, Britt Madsen, and Burge as the type species Nedcolbertia justin-hoffmanni. The generic name honors the American paleontologist Edwin Harris Colbert, known as Ned to his friends. The specific name honored Justin Hoffman, a 6-year-old schoolboy from Newton, New Jersey, a participant of a contest for children by Discover Card, the winner having a dinosaur named after him. Description: the holotype, CM 5071, is one of the specimens, a partial skeleton lacking the skull. It belonged to a juvenile individual. The paratypes are the other two specimens, CM 5072 and CM 5073, both fragmentary skeletons again lacking the skull. They represent subadult individuals. All three specimens were disarticulated and heavily eroded, having been exposed at the surface before discovery. They are part of the collection of the College of Eastern Utah Prehistoric Museum. The holotype of Nedcolbertia had a length of about 1.5 meters, 4 ft 11 in. The paratypes, though not yet full-grown, were about 3 meters 9.8 ft. Due to the condition of the remains, information on the species is limited. The vertebrae were not heavily pneumatized. The thumb claw was much larger than the second claw of the hand. The pubic bone carried a large foot with a very small or absent anterior process, but a large posterior process. The thigh bone had a lesser trochanter. The foot was not arctometarsal. An enlarged second foot claw was lacking. The describers assigned Nedcolbertia with certainty to the tetinuri and provisionally to the coelurosauria. A 2016 overview of ornithomimosaur material from the Arundel Formation of Maryland found Nedcolbertia to be an ornithomimosaur based on comparisons with the Arundel ornithomimosaur remains, Harpamimus, and Incuebisaurus.